Show you some of the supplies we're going to be using. So we're just going to be using this swag base. I think it's a 24-inch flocked stuff. Beware, this black will be white before the end of the design. We're going to be using these little pine sprays. I mentioned we're going to be using one other greenery. So I have just this little flocked, I think it's a cypress spray, I'm not exactly sure, but just a little flock spray. We're going to, you guys down, is we're going to get our swag base ready. So I'm just going to fluff it up. And these things, by the time we get done adding all of our greeneries in there, it's going to be nice and full. But for this design, we'll just use one. What I want to do first is I'm going to take one of our sprays here.